Ever wondered about the incredible wonders of the human body? From the 206 bones that give us structure to the 600 muscles that allow us to move, our bodies are truly remarkable. Did you know that our brain generates about 12 watts of electricity when awake? Or that our heart pumps around 2,000 gallons of blood each day? And let's not forget about our skin, the largest organ, constantly renewing itself. So next time you marvel at the world around you, don't forget to appreciate the incredible wonder that is your own body.